This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation launching an Amber Alert system for all of Colorado. A child has been abducted from the town of Durango, Colorado and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Rosalina Torres. A 16-year-old white Hispanic female, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 130 pounds, with long blonde hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a black t-shirt with the number 28, gray jeans, black and white Converse shoes, and a black cap. She is carrying a skateboard and has a white bow tie on her hair. Authorities believe she is in the company of Edgar Rodriguez, a 19-year-old Hispanic male who is 6 feet 1 inches tall, 160 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a black t-shirt, black jeans, a gold chain on his neck and a gold wrist chain on his right arm. They are believed to be traveling in a silver 2020 Kia Optima Colorado license plate of LXPC31. If you have any information regarding the abduction, please call 911 immediately.